of honor than be a person with wealth. Yes, we start our today's program, the inauguration of English Literary Association by invoking God's blessings through the prayer song. One song can change a moment. One idea can change a world. One step can start a journey. But a prayer can change even the impossible into a possible one. Let us connect our minds and souls to seek God's blessings.
Very good morning everyone. You are all welcome to our program. I am so happy to see you to together here. I hope the program will be great and successful. I hope you will enjoy the program. Have a good time. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our respected principal, teachers, and our beloved students who have joined us here. The fragrance of flowers spread only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of the person breathes in all directions. The quote above it is very much of feeling to our correspondent. Our heartfelt welcome goes to correspondent Reverend Mother Andoni Ammal. Welcome, Mother. Our great leaders inspires, dreams, encourages, creativity, builds confidence, instills a love of learning touches our hearts and changes our lives forever. It is my turn to extend a gracious and heartfelt welcome to our esteemed principal, Reverend Sister Arogya Mary. On behalf of the entire school, I take this opportunity to express our deep respect and admiration for your leadership. We are truly fortunate to have a principal who leads by example and constantly encourages to dream big, work hard, and stay grounded. Once again, we warmly welcome you, sister. Dear welcome, sister. A warm welcome to our esteemed guests. Your presence adds an extra dose of happiness to our gathering. I am proudly delighted to take an opportunity to introduce our chief guest, Dr. A. Josephine Lucia May, the person of kindness, humbleness, and full of talent, who is the only student of our school. I feel very proud to welcome you in this special occasion. She recently won the first prize in the essay competition organized by the General Institute of Classical Tamil Chennai during the Agadiyar Naal Vila. She has got the first prize and the cash amount of 30,000 by the Government of Tamil Nadu. Mr. R. N. Ravi. Congratulations, dear students. Congratulations, dear. I would like to call upon our correspondent to honor our chief guest with shawl. I would like to call upon our principal to honor the chief guest with a gift. And also, my heartfelt welcome goes to our sisters and teachers who are the source of our school. Welcome, sisters and teachers. Then, you are capable of more than you know. Yes, dear students, you are the gift of God, precious pearls of the society and building blocks of the strong nation. A very friendly and a lovable welcome to you, dear students. Once again, I welcome you all. Look forward to a productive and fulfilling day. Thank you.
Welcome. Knowledge of language is the doorway to wisdom. I request our Anupriyanka to give a speech about the importance of English language in this special occasion. Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the importance of English in the present generation. English is is not only a language but also a tool, a skill, and a bridge that connects people, culture, and ideas across the world. In this speech, I will explain why English is essential for the present generation and how we can improve our English proficiency. English is important for education and career opportunities. English is the medium of instruction in many schools and universities around the world, and it is the language of science, technology, business, and diplomacy. According to a report by the British Council, English is spoken by 1.75 billion people worldwide, which is about 25% of the global population. Moreover, English is the most widely used language on the internet, accounting for more than half of all the content. It is also the official language or one of the official languages in 79 countries. Therefore, learning English can help us access more information, knowledge, and opportunities in various fields and sectors. Finally, learning English can enrich our lives by enhancing our personal development and growth. Studies have shown that learning a second language can improve our memory, attention, problem solving, and critical thinking skills. It can also stimulate our creativity and imagination by exposing us to new perspectives and experiences. Moreover, learning English can boost our confidence and self-esteem by helping us express ourselves better and achieve our goals. It can also shape our identity and values by making us more aware of ourselves and others. In conclusion, English is a vital language for the present generation that can help us succeed in education and career opportunities. Therefore, I urge you all to learn English or improve your English skills as much as you can. As Nelson Mandela once said, if you talk to a man in a language that he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart. Thank you for listening. Thank you, Anupriyanka, for your wonderful speech. Your nursery rhymes shape your bones and nerves and each shape your mind. To shape our mind, our KG buddies are coming here to perform their talents through rhymes with their cute voice. Thank you buddies for your cute presentation. Our UKG buddies are coming here to perform their talents through activities with their cute voice.
Parada Didi.
Thank you buddies for your wonderful presentation. Let us our first standard kids are ready to show their general knowledge.
Anis. Anis.
Thank you kids for your cute performance. Don't dwell in the past. Focus on present and improve your future. Our students are present here to enact a drama about the tenses for our understanding.
Good morning everyone. My name is D.J. England. We are the class from 6 and 7. Now we are present the most challenging and the confusing topics of English grammar called tenses. The word of a sentence denotes the time when the action is taking place. The main division of time are present tense, past tense and future tense.
Hey, why didn't you come yesterday? What happened? Yes, I'm understanding that your tenses are not clear. Let me tell you a story and clear the concept of tenses. Hi, my name is Tenses. I have 4 daughters. They are present tense, past tense and future tense. Hi, I am present tense. I have 4 daughters. They are simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Hi, my name is past tense. I have 4 daughters. They are simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Hi, my name is future tense. I have 4 daughters. They are simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. I introduce my first daughter, simple present tense. Hi, I am simple present tense. I help people to talk about their routine, like, dislike, hobbies, facts and universal truths. My structure is subject plus verb plus object. My keywords are in the sentence. Usually, every day, always, regularly. I give some example to you all.
I eat breakfast every morning. He goes to school by bus regularly. I like apple.
I introduce my second daughter, present continuous tense.
Hi, I am present continuous. I help you all in many ways, especially when you talk about an action which is going on in front of your eyes. My structure is subject plus am is or plus verb with ing plus object. My keywords are now, at present, at the moment. I will give some example to you all.
I tell the examples. You are talking, she is smiling, they are watching me. I introduce my third daughter, present perfect tense. Hi, I am present perfect tense. I join past with the present. I help you all. Then talk about an action which took place in the past. My structure is subject plus, has, have plus, verb 3 plus, object. The keywords are just, already, recently. I give some example to you all. They have worked in the field. They have played the game already. He has just written a letter. I introduce my fourth daughter, present perfect continuous tense. Hello everybody. Hi, I am present perfect continuous. Most of the time, my sister present continuous and I have got the same work to do. We can be used one for the other, but no, I have my own identity and forms. I help the people when they have to talk about an action which started the past and continue in the future. The structure is subject plus has been, have been plus verb ing plus object. My keywords are since for. I give some example to you all. He has been studying for 2 hours. They have been living here since 2010.
I introduce my first daughter, simple past tense. Hi, I am simple past tense. The simple past tense, also known as the past indefinite tense, is used to describe completed actions or states in my past.
My structure is subject plus verb to plus object. I give some example to you all. I played football yesterday. My friend watched the movie. They went to school early. I introduce my second daughter. Past continuous tense. Had. I am past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is also known as past progressive. Describe actions that were ongoing of a specific time in the past. My structure is subject plus was verb plus verb ing plus object. I give some example to you all. While I was washing the dresses, I heard a loud noise. He was reading the newspaper. They were celebrating his birthday last night. I introduce my third daughter, past perfect tense. Hi, my name is past perfect tense. People often get confused about my usage, so listen carefully. I help you people to talk about an action which took place before and another action. For instance, my structure is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. My example is he had drawn a good painting. I had run a mile when I was young. Arun had already gone before I came. I introduce my fourth daughter, past perfect continuous tense. Hi, I am past perfect continuous tense. I am not as usual and as popular as my sisters, but I do have my own identity. I help people when they have to talk about an action which was going on for a long period of time, somewhere in the past. My structure is subject plus had been plus verb with ing plus object. I give some example to you all. Ram had been playing cricket when they came. He had been learning English for years. They had been practicing for speech all night. I introduce my first daughter, simple future tense. Hello everybody, I am simple future tense. I help you all when you talk about an action which yet to take place. My structure is subject plus will or shall plus verb 1 plus object. My example is Ramya will go to Ooty. They will play tennis. I shall go to chapel. I introduce my second daughter, future continuous tense. Hello, I am future continuous tense. Hello, I am future continuous tense. I help you all to talk about an action which will be going on in the future. My structure is subject plus will or shall be plus verb ing plus object. My keywords are will be, are, be, going to be followed by a verb ending in ing. I give some examples to you all. Ram will be playing basketball tomorrow by this time. She will be doing a great job. He will be learning a new skill. I introduce my third daughter, future perfect tense. Hello, I am future perfect tense. I help to express the ideas that something will occur before another action in the future. It can also show that something will happen at a specific time in the future. My structure is subject plus will or shall have plus verb 3 plus object. I give some example to you all. Ram will have written the poem by tomorrow. We will have taken the exam by next Monday. The team will have owned 5 hours. I introduce my fourth daughter, future perfect continuous tense. Hi, I am future perfect continuous tense. You are hardly now be back. I have my own existing. I assist you all to show that something will continue up until a particular event or time in future. For 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, under since Friday are all the division which I use with me. My structure is subject plus will or shall have been plus verb with ing plus object. I give some example to you all. I shall have been speaking in English for 2 weeks. They will have been practicing for 2 years.
Now, I hope you are clear to how to form a correct sentence through tenses.
Yes, ma'am. I understand the tenses clearly, ma'am.
So, answer me correctly. Where did you go yesterday?
I went to Mumbai, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, students, I hope you also understand the topic of tenses through our drama. Thank you to all.
Good morning to everyone. My name is P.A. Ayushwar. My name is A.S. Vibhushan. We are studying science
morality, enthusiasm and designs. Our third and fourth girls are coming here to show their action for the opposite girls. Now I tell the opposite words, they will do the action for the words, friends. Big, small, big, small, tall, short, tall, short, up, down, open, close, sit, stand, happy, sad, fast, slow, left, right, front, back, strong, weak, day, night, good, bad, friend, enemy, young, old, laugh, cry, right, wrong. Thank you, friends. Thank you, girls, for your meaningful actions. Every good conversation starts with good listening. Now we listen our girls Kavishri and Ashvika coming here to present the conversation about the importance of English language. Have a beautiful morning to all our present here. Hello Ashvika, how are you? I'm fine. And you? I'm fine. How is your studies going on? It's well. What are you doing? I'm reading an article about the importance of English. Can you tell me about the importance of English language? Yes, why not? You know English is the international language. English plays an important role in communication in the whole world. Okay, Kavishri, how does English help in higher education? All the books on higher education are several branch of knowledge are written in English. Also, we read it from shopping, Oxford, going abroad, operating computer, etc. Okay, Kavishri, I understand that without English we cannot do anything. Yeah, it helps us in good jobs and better salaries. Not only for that, it helps us in business world also. Okay, Kavishri, good. You know lots of about the importance of English language. Okay, how can I improve my learning English? Give me some ideas. Yeah, I will. There are lots of ways to learn English. You can learn English by reading books, watching English movies, talking with friends, etc. Okay, Kavishri, I start to learn English from today onwards. Bye. See you later. Thank you so much. Thank you, friends, for your effective conversation. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Yes, it's the time to bestow our prize winner. I request our chief guest to distribute the prizes for the prize winners.
It's the time to honor our winners by our chief guest, our students from 4th standard, NS
place. From 4th to B, Yashivani. From 4th to B, second place in deflation words. Ritikeshwaran from 4th to B, he got third place in deflation words. Please come to the stage. Nishan Devesh, Shivani, Ritikeshwaran. Next is Sudai Agaman, first place in deflation words from 50A. Aditi Arnuni from 50A, second place. Bhavanisha from 5th to B, second place. SP Ashwati, third place from 5th to B. Subiksha, third place from 5th to B in dictation words. Next in GK questions, 6th boys. Sandil Kumar, first place from 68. Sri Varshan from 68. Second place, K. Harish from 68. Third place in GK questions. Then from girls, 6th girls, Navashri, first place from 6th to B. S. Mitra from 6th to B. Second place from 8th standard boys, S. Kavin, first place. S. Wilson James, second place. N. S. Sanjay Devesh, third place from 8A. Students, appreciate them by giving the claps. And also tongue twister winners. First place, Sandil Kumar from 6A. Navashri from 6th B. First place. A.N. Christy from 7th B. First place. Kavin, yes, Kavin from 8A. First place in tongue twister. Sandil Kumar. Thank you, ma'am, for distributing the prizes. I request our chief guest to give some motivation words for our students. Students, listen. She is our old student. It's very proud of us. Give a big clap.
Good morning, everyone. I am truly feeling proud to stand before you today as a chief guest for our school function. I would like to thank our respected principals, esteemed staff, and the organizing team for welcoming me as a chief guest. Myself, Dr. A. Joseph Louisa Mary, currently doing my PG at National Institute of Siddha, Tamaram Sanatorium. Being invited as a chief guest is both privileged and a wonderful experience because it reminding me how education took me and why schools play an important role in shaping our future. And when I am entering these gates, I was remembering that once upon a time I was here sitting like you and laughing, chatting, playing and studying and listening to the teacher, and I was dreaming about the uncertain future. Now I feel so proud and அஞ்சு வளையாது 50 வளையாது அந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் மேலே எனக்கு ரொம்ப நம்பிக்கை உண்டு. பிகாஸ் நம்மளோட லைஃப்பை வந்துட்டு மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த இயர்ஸ் நம்ம ஸ்கூலில் தான் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணுறோம். ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 12 இயர்ஸ் நம்ம ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணுறோம். ஃபஸ்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்லேருந்து 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் வரைக்குமே நம்ம ஸ்கூலில் இருக்கோம். அது இல்லாமல் ஒரு டேல வந்து மேஜர் ஹாருமே நம்ம ஸ்கூலில் தான் வந்து ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணுறோம். அப்படி இருக்கக்கூடிய ஸ்கூலில் தான் வந்துட்டு நம்ம நிறைய விஷயத்தை கற்றுக்க முடியும். எப்படி வந்து நம்மளோட லைஃப்பில் வந்து ஹோம் அண்ட் பேரண்ட்ஸ் முக்கியமோ அதுபோல் நமக்கு நம்ம லைஃப்பில் ஸ்கூல்ஸ் அண்ட் டீச்சர்ஸ் ரொம்பவே முக்கியம். பிகாஸ் நான் 4th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்லேருந்து 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் வரைக்கும் நம்ம ஸ்கூலில் தான் படித்தேன். நான் படித்த பீரியடில் நான் கற்றுக்கிட்ட சின்ன சின்ன விஷயங்கள் என்னோட இப்போ வரைக்குமே எனக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு. பிகாஸ் நம்ம ஸ்கூல்லலாம் வந்துட்டு டிசிப்ளின், பங்க்சுவாலிட்டி, சின்சியாரிட்டி, ஹார்ட் ஒர்க், அதுக்கப்புறம் லீடர்ஷிப். பிகாஸ் 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் 11th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கும்போது ஐ வாஸ் த ஸ்டூடெண்ட் பீப்புள் லீடர். த்ரூ தட் எனக்கு ஒரு போல்ட்னஸ் கிடைச்சிச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் ப்ராப்ளம் ஃபேஸிங் ஸ்கில்ஸ், அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு சின்ன ஃபெயிலியர் வந்தாலுமே அதுலேருந்து எப்படி நம்ம ஓவர் கம் பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிற எல்லா விஷயமுமே நம்ம ஸ்கூல்ல இருந்து நான் கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம ஸ்கூலை பொறுத்த வரைக்குமே எல்லா டீச்சர்ஸுமே ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸையும் இண்டிவிஜுவலாக மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அவங்களுக்குள்ள இருக்கக்கூடிய இன்னர் டேலண்ட் என்ன அப்படிங்கிறத ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணி அதில் அவங்கள ஃபைன் பண்ணி கொண்டு வருவாங்க. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் ஆஸ் அ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டாக நாமளுமே இங்கே நடக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா ஈவெண்ட்ஸ்லையுமே ஆக்டிவாக பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணணும். பிகாஸ் நம்மளோட ஆக்டிவ் பார்ட்டிசிபேஷன் மூலமாக தான் நம்மளால வந்துட்டு நமக்கு என்ன வருங்கிறது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நமக்கு தெரியும், அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்மளை சுற்றி இருக்கவங்களுக்கும் தெரியும். அது இல்லாமல் நம்ம எப்போவுமே இன்ஃபீரியராக ஃபீல் பண்ணக்கூடாது. நமக்கு கீழே இருக்கவங்க என்றைக்குமே நம்ம பார்த்து நம்ம அவங்களோட கொஞ்சம் பெட்டராக இருக்கோம் அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம வந்து யோசிச்சு எப்பவுமே வந்துட்டு நம்ம சுப்பீரியராக தான் ஃபீல் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம எப்பவுமே வந்துட்டு என்ன அட்வைஸ் அப்படின்னா ஒரு கோல் செட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த செட் பண்ண கோலை வச்சுட்டு டெய்லியுமே அதுக்கான சின்ன விஷயத்த ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருங்க. கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணுங்க. டீச்சர்ஸை ரெஸ்பெக்ட் கொடுங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஃபோக்கஸ்டாக இருங்க, கான்சன்ட்ரேட்டடாக இருங்க, கன்சிஸ்டண்ட்டாக இருங்க. இப்போ நீங்கள் செட் பண்ண கோலுக்காக இன்னைக்கு நீங்கள் உங்களால் ஒர்க் பண்ண முடியும்னா கூட நாளைக்கு திரும்ப வந்துட்டு ஒர்க் பண்ணுங்க. பர்சிஸ்டண்ட்டாக இருங்க. ஃபெயிலியர்ஸை பார்த்து மூட் ஆஃப் ஆகாதீங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆஸ் அ டாக்டர் என்ன அட்வைஸ் அப்படின்னா நல்லா தூங்குங்க. ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 7 hours ஆஃப் ஸ்லீப் வந்துட்டு நமக்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியம். நம்ம கோல் அச்சீவ் பண்ணணும்னா நம்ம நல்லாவே தூங்கணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஃபிசிக்கலி ஆக்டிவாக இருக்கணும். இப்போ எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுமே வந்துட்டு மொபைல் ஃபோன்ஸில் என்கேஜாக இருக்காங்க. ஸோ அது தவிர்க்க முடியாத விஷயம்தான். ஸோ இபுக்ஸை ஃபாலோ பண்ணாமல் ஹார்ட் காப்பீஸில் படிங்க. படித்த விஷயத்தை எழுதுங்க. எழுதி பார்த்ததை வந்துட்டு திரும்ப திரும்ப ரீகால் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஹைட்ரேட்டடாக இருங்க. நல்லா தண்ணி குடிங்க. பிளாஸ்டிக்ஸ் அவாய்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. வாட்டர் பாட்டில் கூட ஸ்டீல் பாட்டில்ஸாக யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. நான் இப்போ வர வழியில நிறைய பார்த்தேன். ஃபுல்லாக ஜங்க்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு ரோட் சைடில் ஜங்க் ஃபுட்ஸ் அதிகமாக இருக்குது. ஸோ அந்த ஜங்க் ஃபுட்ஸை மேக்ஸிமம் அவாய்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. சாப்பிடாமலே இருக்க முடியாது தான், பட் ஆனால் வந்துட்டு ரெகுலராக ஜங்க் சாப்பிட்றத அவாய்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. பிகாஸ் அந்த ஜங்க் ஃபுட், கலர்டு ஃபுட், பேக்டு ஃபுட்ஸ் அது எல்லாத்துலேயுமே வந்துட்டு கேன்சர் காஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய ஏஜென்ட்ஸ் அதிகமாக இருக்குது. இப்போ அந்த ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எப்படி டெக்னாலஜி ஒரு பக்கம் வந்துட்டே இருக்கோ, புதுசு புதுசாக டிசீஸும் வந்துட்டு உருவாகிட்டே இருக்குது. சின்ன சின்ன குழந்தைங்கள்லாம் வந்துட்டு மோஸ்ட்டாக அதுக்கு அஃபெக்ட் ஆகிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஸோ அதனால் வந்துட்டு ஜங்க்ஸை முடிஞ்சளவுக்கு அவாய்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Once again, I thank all of you for your bright future. நீங்களுமே அடுத்தடுத்து இந்த பொசிஷனுக்கு வரணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் எல்லாரையும் விஷ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your powerful words. I request our principal to give a few words to encourage our students. Respected correspondent, Reverend Mother Anbaniamma, the correspondent of St. Michael's Matriculation School, Malapadi, our honorable chief guest, Dr. Josephine Louisa Mary, National Institute of Siddha, Tamaram, Reverend Sister Paul Selvan, all dear beloved teachers and my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. A very good morning. Good morning. Now I know that you are alive. Very good. Okay. On this auspicious day, my pleasure to stand before you all for the inauguration of our English Literary Association. On this auspicious day, I really congrats all our teachers the effort that they have taken, especially our English handling teachers. All the teachers, the English handling teachers, within a short time they have taken a much effort, the hard work to train the students in such a way. So let us clap our hands and greet all our English department teachers. Thank you teachers for their hard work and the commitment. English is important or not? Today, in this world, English is important or not? I am asking the students, important? Yes. And it is very much important. So as the languages, along with our mother tongue, English also is an important language. English, they say, the language English is the window to the world, windows to the world. The language English is the windows to the world because it opens the world, it opens the doors of ideas, cultures, ability, creativity in all the way possible because it is also interconnected because we live in the world of interconnectivity. We live in the world of interconnectivity. Man is, what is man is? Island. Man can live alone? Man can live alone? Human being, can human being live alone? We are all? We are all? Social animal. We are all? Social animal. I hope that you are all students and studying here, is it? Okay. We are all social animals. Social animals means we are not living in island. We are connected, having connections between each other. To have connections, to have relationship, language requires important. Language requires, especially the mother tongue, along with our mother tongue, English language connects us throughout the world, Therefore, everywhere language is given an importance. English language is taking place an important role in all the places possible. Wherever, because it is like a door to open the culture. Even if having Tamil, our language as a mother tongue, it will go to other states. What language you can talk? If you do not know the original language of the that state. Okay, if you are, for example, you are going to Kerala, if you do not know Malayalam, what language you can communicate? Tamil? No. No. Neither you know Tamil, nor you know Malayalam, then what language you will know? You use. Yes, English became a common language now, is it? So, that is not our English Literary Association Club, the inauguration of English Literary Association Club. It's giving a point to us. It is speaking English, talking always in the campus English, studying English, knowing English is very much important today. Is it? Wherever we go, to the other culture, to the other language peoples, English language connects and it makes a relationship between other people and our people. It is also develops the cultures, the more idea, the more creativity. So this literary association is not only a language, developing a language, but also it gives a platform for each one of us for the creativity, for discovering the creativity, for making a self-confidence, because here we saw the tense, is it? In drama we saw all the 12 tenses they were using and they were making drama. Is it? Or fluently they will talk the English language is giving you. Is it? So this is not only a language, it is a platform for each and every one of us to nurture our confidence. To nurture our confidence. Therefore, I request all the students, all the from LKG to 12th standard students, you must speak always in English, knowing the importance of language. Now you do not realize. I am really proud by seeing our chief guest, Dr. Josephine Louise Mary, on the stage. Because she was also one of the students of the school, is it? 12th standard, after studying 12th standard, she developed herself. Because what connected her, after going to Chennai, she is living in Chennai and she is meeting so many people. All the people, those who live in Chennai, they all talk Tamil? No, they speak different language. What makes us to connect with our friendship with everybody? Only the English language. It is connecting to everybody. Now she is coming and courageously telling you be bold and be confident, don't discourage, take care of yourself, eat well, sleep well, study well, respect your teachers. This all the teachers are every day telling only. But when we study here, we will not know the importance. When we go out of the class, we always will realize, is it? One day, I also wanted to see all of you, all the students, like Dr. Josephine, standing here, coming here, and giving us an advice, and giving the wise knowledge, and distributing the prizes to all the people that were junior to you. So I wanted to see all the students like her. Will you be? Will you be? Do you understand what I am talking? But no response. If you understand, give me response. No response comes from your side. Understand, students? First standard, second standard? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Very good. So all the first standard LKG students, UKG students, from first to 12th standard students, I want to see all our students to stand on this stage and give witness when you become in an important position, or not to hold the position also no problem. One day we also invite you as a chief guest to talk to you, to give us a talk like. Okay? All the best for all the students. I also congratulate once again and give my sincere thanks to all the English handling teachers for their hard work, and also I encourage all the students to talk always English, because English is necessary. Shakespeare is telling you, pen is mightier than the sword. Pen is mightier than the sword. What is the meaning of sword? Sword. Sword. What is the meaning of sword? Wall. Aram. Katti. இல்லையா வால். வால்ல நம்ம ஒருத்தவங்களை வெட்ட முடியும், அழிக்க முடியும் இல்லையா? ஆனா பென் எடுக்கிறதுல பென் இஸ் mightier than sword. பெண்ணும் வாலும் எடுத்துட்டா எது நம்ம பெருசுன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? வாழ்ன்னு சொல்லுவோம் நேச்சுரலாகவே. ஆனால் ஷேக்ஸ்பியர் என்ன சொல்றாரு? பென் இஸ் mightier than the sword. அதனால பெண்ணை வச்சு நீங்க எழுதுறத வச்சு இந்த உலகத்தையே மாற்ற முடியும். அது வால் அறத்தை விட மிகவும் ஸ்ட்ராங்கானது. அதனால உங்களோட ரைட்டிங், ரீடிங், ஸ்போக்கன், everything is important now. So the more you read, the more you become an important person. The more you write, the more you shine in the world. Okay, so all the best for all the students. I encourage all the students to read and write always, along with your mother tongue, also develop the English language also, which will give you an important position, which will give a Thank you. Thank you, students, for your encouraging and powerful words, sister.
Dance is the joy of movement and heart of life. Dance is a song of the body, either of joy or pain. Yes, our girls are present here to entertain us by giving a mind-blowing performance. applause for your mind-blowing dance. Gratitude sweetens even the smallest moment. Now it's the time to conclude our program. I request Mr. Soundarya to show the gratitude by giving vote of thanks.
Good morning to everyone. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this event possible. First and foremost, on behalf of the entire school and each one of you, I express my humble gratitude to the great Almighty for giving us a chance to celebrate this day. Next, I wish to acknowledge to our correspondent for their visionary and leadership that transformed our school into a hub of knowledge and achievements. Thank you, Mother. Now, I wish to extend my sincere thanks to our principal sister for fostering an environment that encourages and empowers our students and our school to reach the zenith of glory. Thank you, sister. Furthermore, I offer my heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Josephine Mary, for accepting our invitation and being here with us today. Thank you, Josephine. Now, I want to recognize and thank my gratitude to all teachers for the unwavering support. Your expertise, knowledge, and dedication have played a pivotal role in shaping all the students. Next, our most prized possession, the stars of the day. You all displayed your exceptional talents, perseverance, and dedication to make this event successful. Thank you, students. Once again, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all who have contributed to the success of this event. Thank you to all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of gratitude.
Okay, thank you students for listening the programs peacefully. Now you go class-wise